Hi, I'm Steve, and today we're going to be looking at how to fix an old Fiamm boat horn diaphragm. Here's the Fiamm horn from the 1970s or 80s. It's a type TANA, and it was not working during the restoration of the boat, so we removed the horn from the boat. To do that, we had to unscrew the horn from the base, like so. It came apart, and we found that the diaphragm inside was hard and brittle. Here's the original diaphragm. It's now broken because we tried to make it softer with a blowtorch to anneal it. That didn't work, we just destroyed it. There's plenty of YouTube videos on how to make your own diaphragms from plastic or from metal. Here's a plastic one we made. One inside is 0.1 mil copper foil, and here's one that we cut down to size from a 0.25 mil stainless steel diaphragm from another horn. We also made some new paper gaskets to go inside the horn, but none of this caused the horn to work, and that's because, as you will see in this other horn, the diaphragm sits flush against the nozzle around here of the horn, and such that it creates an air seal. And so when air is forced into the chamber in here by the compressor, it overcomes the resistance in the diaphragm, which could be spring steel. It could be an actual spring sat behind the diaphragm, but the air overcomes that pressure and forces the diaphragm in the middle just to open. And as that happens, the air then rushes down the nozzle of the horn, and the air pressure in the chamber behind here then collapses, which then allows the diaphragm to return to its original position. And this repeats over and over and over again, and that's what causes the diaphragm to vibrate. We didn't realise that no matter what diaphragm we put into the Fiamm horn, that unless the nozzle was actually flush against the diaphragm, it was never going to work. Once we realised that, we were able to line up the nozzle with the diaphragm. We tried doing it like this, but actually the best way to do it is to put the diaphragm into the actual base of the horn, put the horn back together, add a couple of screws just to hold it in place while we do this. There's one and two. Then we get our ear protectors, and the first thing you'll hear is just the sound of the compressor going through the horn, and then you'll hear the horn. And that is a pretty loud boat horn, which I'm sure the owner of it is going to be very pleased to know is working again. Thank you for watching this video.